Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to enable or disable the Windows 7 hidden admin account. Click Start button. Right-click Computer, click Manage. Click Local Users and Groups. Click Users. Right-click Administrators, click Properties. Uncheck Account is disabled, then click Apply, OK. Now Administrator account is enabled. Right-click Administrators, click Properties, check Account is disabled. Now Administrator account is disabled. Second method is using CMD. Click Start button, type CMD. Right-click CMD, run as administrator. Type net, space, user. Administrator, space, active. Space, \yes. Administrator account is enabled. Type net, space, user, space, administrator, space, active, space, \no. Administrator account is disabled. Third method is type local group policy in search bar. Click local group policy. Click local policies, security options. Default administrator account is disabled. You can also change to enable administrator account. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.